Have you ever thought about how great it would be to play music all over your house? Well, at Sonos, that's exactly what we think about, night and day. Our team has been working hard to make it incredibly easy to play music in every room of your house. And the award-winning Sonos multi-room music system is the result of our efforts. It's wireless, so you can add it to your house without running wires through walls, and it connects directly to the internet for a never-ending supply of music. As Design Director for User Experience at Sonos, I'd love to show you how it all works. In this house, we're set up to play music in the living room, the kitchen, and the bedroom. You just put one of these units, called a zone player, in any room where you want music. This one's connected to the home theater for music in the living room, making use of the amplifier and speakers already here. In the kitchen, we've got another zone player that has a built-in amplifier, so I've simply attached speakers. And upstairs in the bedroom, I've got an all-in-one zone player that's really just a wireless speaker that you can put anywhere and enjoy all the world's music. Because Sonos lets you play something different in each room, I can have the BBC playing in the bedroom,
dedicated to bringing you more live sporting choice,
a jazz album playing in the living room, and for now, nothing in the kitchen. To control all the music in rooms, I'm using the wireless Sonos controller. You can also turn an iPhone into a full-fledged controller with our free iPhone app. And Sonos includes a controller for Mac or PC, so you can find and play your music using any computer in the house. Plus, they all work together brilliantly. No matter which controller I'm using, it's incredibly simple to play any song in any room. I can connect the living room with the kitchen and listen to jazz in here. Or I can group all the zones together, synchronizing the music throughout the entire house. It's perfect for a party. And since all my controllers update automatically, when I pick up my iPhone, I see all my zones in party mode. We wanted to make it easy to get to the things you do most often, like changing volume, so we put a volume button front and center. I can control the volume in all the rooms at the same time, or I can turn it up in the living room and down in the bedroom, while I'm still in the kitchen. Now, let's take a look at all the music choices you have with Sonos, starting with your personal music library, like iTunes. No more running back and forth to your computer to play all your music. And you can play any radio station as well, from practically anywhere in the world. Sonos comes loaded with thousands of internet radio stations, totally free. I can browse by music, talk, sports, or location. I can even search for something specific, like tango. Again, no computer required, since it's streaming direct from Argentina over the internet. Sonos also works seamlessly with online music services in many countries, giving you instant access to millions of songs and stations. I can quickly search their collections for just about anything. Say you're having a party and a friend from England wants to hear the Kaiser Chiefs. With just a few taps, I can play their album, direct from the internet. At any point, I just hit the Zones button to see everything that's playing. The beauty of Sonos is that everyone in the house gets to listen to the music they really love.
Why didn't you go to school?
Sonos is a multi-room music system through and through, so it's easy to add rooms at any time without adding wires. I've already plugged in the all-in-one zone player here in the kids' room. Now I touch Add a Zone, press these two buttons, and it connects wirelessly. Next, I choose a name, and it's officially part of the system. When I group this room with the kitchen, I've got the Kaiser Chiefs playing in here as well. Setting up the entire Sonos system works just like that. You put zone players in the rooms where you want music. It's perfectly simple. All the music you want, all over your house, all from the palm of your hand. That's Sonos in a nutshell.